Hello, I'm going to be sowing some chive seeds today, garlic chives. I filled my tray with a fine compost, a seed sowing compost, and I've taken it just a couple of centimetres below the top of the tray, which is really important. The first job I have to do is actually level out, okay, to give it a nice level surface for the seeds to grow. Okay. The next job is to actually make sure that I water it, give it a good water, taking the watering can off the edge of the pot or the tray and finish it away from the tray. So I get my seeds and I thinly sow, just in rows really, it's fine. And then either with a garden sieve, or if you haven't got a sieve you can use a pot, as long as it's got quite big holes in the bottom. Sieve over just a dusting of compost. You just want a thin layer across it. Okay. Make sure your edges are clean. And remember, make sure that it's still a centimetre or so below the top of the container or the tray, whatever you're using. And what that actually does is, if when you go to water it, if it's level with the top, it will actually wash the seeds away. So mark up your label, the name of what you've sowed and the date you've sown it, and there you go.